So it is proved. Now if it is proved, then C vector, it is coming out to be 1, 7 and 0. Now we need to find out, calculate the area of triangle AOC. So if this is the triangle, here it is A, it is B, it is C, and I am joining these lines so that we can create a proper triangle. So we need to find out the area of this triangle. So for this we will need to use the sine formula. Okay, so area of triangle AOC is basically, I am writing first the formula. So this is the formula for half into OA into OC into sine of angle AOC. Now these are the magnitude. Always remember, these are the magnitude or the values we need to find out. So ultimately it is half OA mod dot OC mod, then sine AOC, and it is angle there. Now for OA and OC we need to find out the value. So OA we have already calculated, that is root over minus 2 whole square plus 4 square plus 4 square, and it was coming out to be root over 36 and equals to 6. So it is half into 6 into, now OC here, from this is the complete value of the vector. So from here we are getting minus 1 whole square plus 7 square equals to root 50, equals to, here we can write 25 into 2, and from here we can write it to be 5 root 2. So it is, the value of OC is 5 root 2. Now we need to find out sine angle AOC. So to find the value of the sine of this particular angle, we will use the normal Pythagorean formula for sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we have cos with our hand. So for cos angle AOC, this is nothing but OA and OA dot OC divided by mod of OA dot mod of OC, and from here just OA dot OC we have in our hand. Previously we have calculated OA dot OC, this to be 2 plus 4k, this we have already calculated 2 plus 4k, but here I am writing, see here, see here the part I am writing here, that is 2 plus 4k, it was equals to OA dot OC, but the value of the k is 7. So basically OA dot OC is equals to 2 plus 4 into 7. So it is 30. So 30 divided by OA, it is 6. So 6 into 5 root 2. So it is 1 by root 2. So cos AOC is equals to 1 by root 2. Now we know that sine square AOC plus cos square AOC is equals to 1. So sine square AOC plus 1 by root 2 is equals to 1. So sine AOC is equals to root over 1 minus 1 by, it will be 1 by 2. So because we are squaring this, so 1 by 2. So basically sine angle AOC is, it is coming to be 1 by root 2. So from here we are getting all the values. Now the for sine angle AOC, the value is 1 by root 2. So root 2 gets cancelled. It is 3. So 15. So this is the value of the area. So it is 15 square unit. We can write just to give the unit here. So the calculate the area of AOC is 15 square unit. Okay. So in this way this problem is done.